Thank you for choosing MICTUNING's RV door latch. Today I'm going to show you how to install your new MICTUNING NFC door latch. Open the door and remove the screen so that it's easier to get to the latch. Remove the 4 screws on the existing handle and remove the back handle from the door. Next, let's go ahead and remove the 2 side screws and plate holding the door latch in place. Remove the screws and the plate and set them aside. Now grab the handle and pull it out at an angle. With your new door lock in hand, go ahead and pull the wires through the opening and out of the way while sliding the new latch in place, ensuring the wires are not pinched. While holding the new handle, install the new strike plate and 2 shorter screws. While holding the back portion of the new handle, connect the battery wires to the front portion of the handle. Now align and attach the back, being sure not to pinch or cut any of the wires during this portion of the installation. Make sure that the wires are free of the screw holes and go ahead and install the 4 set screws, but don't tighten completely at this point. Test and adjust handle as needed, ensuring both levers and latches work properly. Now we will set our new passcode, NFC, and keyless entry up. Hold the unlock button until you hear an audible beep, pressing 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, unlock again, and then enter your new passcode. Finally, press the unlock button one more time. You can now test your passcode. To set up the NFC and key fob, you will start by pressing the fob button on the back while holding the NFC on the reader on the front until you hear an audible beep. For the fob, hold the learn button while pressing the lock button on the fob until you hear an audible beep. Thank you for choosing MICTUNING.